This internet mystery has baffled the smartest minds for over a decade. Fearful Face. Since 2012, a shadowy group called Cicada 3301 has posted elaborate online puzzles. Their goal? Recruit highly intelligent individuals using complex cryptography, steganography, and real-world clues. From 4chan to global physical locations, their methods were diverse. Intelligence agency, secret society. Their true purpose remains unknown, with significant parts still unsolved. Even their Liber Primus book, their final puzzle, is largely undeciphered. What's your asterisk theory on Cicada 3301? Drop your theories.